Hi, I'm Sherry from Crandall Office Furniture, and today we're going to show you how to clean your disgusting casters on your office chair. So the reason you would want to clean your casters is if you find that they're not rolling very well on your carpet, or you can tell that they're not spinning freely when you're trying to move them, and when you flip it upside down, you'll see that there's a lot of stuff inside of there. You could always buy new casters, but you can also extend the life of your casters by cleaning them. So we're going to show you how to get that done. So the tools you're going to need today are going to be a pair of scissors, needle nose pliers, a silicone lubricant, vinyl shine, and I have a rag just to catch some overflow. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look in here, and you're going to see that there's quite a bit of hair that's in here. So we're going to use our scissors, and we're going to try to cut out as much as we can to loosen it up. And then you're going to use your needle nose pliers to pull out as much as you can. And you just got to kind of keep going after it. If it's not coming out easily, you got to get back in there with your scissors and try to cut it a little bit more, because especially with hair like this, it's going to get wrapped around this a lot, and you're going to have a hard time getting it all out, but it's going to be worth it when you get it all out. It's going to roll like amazing once again. So after you've gotten all the hair and everything cleaned out of the inside, you're going to take your vinyl shine and you're going to clean the inside and the outside of the casters. I like to spray, for the inside, I like to spray it directly onto the cloth because I don't want it to get it everywhere. And you don't want to put it directly on your floor immediately after you clean them. You want to let it dry a little bit before you put your casters back on your floor. But you're going to do the inside and the outside with your vinyl shine. There we go, just like that. So the very last step is going to be lubrication. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our silicone lubricant and we're going to protect everything around us with the cloth, and we're just going to get in here and we're going to spray down into these points here, give it a little spin, and spray it again. And there you go. They're rolling like brand new again. Thank you for watching the video today. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us on our Facebook page or at crandalloffice.com. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And keep an eye on my head tilt, because I tend to tilt my head and it's weird. So if you see me doing that, just be like, got everything? We're good? Going? Hi, I'm Sherry from Crandall Office Furniture, and today we're going to show you how to clean the carpet. Nope. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or, nope, never mind. Please reach out to us via Facebook or nope. So this one is good. Do I keep going? And you're going to want to get right this. I'm looking for a trigger. Okay, we're going to have to start again.